Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our drive along Lakeshore Road just outside of Port Colborne, Ontario. We're heading to Reebs Bay Beach, a quiet spot along the north shore of Lake Erie. This road offers a calm and peaceful drive with views of open farmland, shady trees, and glimpses of the lake between the homes and cottages that line the way. It's a lovely area where people come to relax, fish, and enjoy the lake breeze. Reebs Bay Beach is tucked away near the western edge of Port Colborne, close to the border with Wainfleet Township. This part of Ontario has a long history tied to early settlers, farming, and the nearby shipping routes of the Welland Canal. Reebs Bay Beach is a simple, natural beach great for a quiet walk, with a view across the water and gentle waves lapping at the shore. The beach is also popular with anglers, especially in spring and fall when fish like Chinook salmon and catfish come closer to shore. As we arrive, we'll take a short walk along the beach. The lake stretches out as far as you can see, and the sound of the water makes it easy to slow down and enjoy the moment. It's a peaceful place with a quiet charm, where nature and local history come together. Thanks for joining us on this visit to Reebs Bay Beach near Port Colborne, Ontario. Thanks for watching!